This Boeing aircraft initiated its departure from Spain when the right-hand engine experienced recurrent compressor stalls, leading to flames emanating from it. Consequently, the plane had to divert to a nearby airport. This Airbus was about to depart when a significant fuel leak erupted from the left wing tank, prompting the evacuation of the aircraft.
Oh, il fuel non si vede l'arcobaleno solitamente, però si spande come olio per terra. Se vedi il vento come agisce.
Watch as this Boeing takes off from Antarctica, generating a billowing cloud of snow in its wake. This Airbus was in the process of landing in Boston, but had to abort, leading to a touch-and-go maneuver.
Oh, it's Virgin Atlantic. A340 600. Oh wow, it's doing a go-around. Oh.
This Boeing employs reverse thrust on a wet runway, showcasing the incredible power of its engines. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and let me know what you want to see next.